Hold up. We have something important to talk about. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for 5 years on YouTube. As the day this is being released to you guys, it is now my 5th year anniversary on YouTube. I started YouTube on September 11th, 2014, and today is currently, on the day this is released, September 11th, 2019, which means I've been on YouTube for 5 years now. Now yes, September 11th is a day to remember all the people that we've lost from everything that happened in 2001 on that day, but it's also a time on this channel to get excited because this is my 5-year anniversary on YouTube. So thank you guys for 5 years. I really appreciate all of my almost 440 subscribers. By the time this is released, we probably have over 440 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. We have like over 500,000 views, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 400,000 views total on the channel. I mean, I just can't thank you enough for all the support we've had. So, with that being said, first things first, here's my Dover button. And secondly, today, on this day that we're watching this, we're gonna see some footage that I shot on the 2nd of September in 2019 as the Sears at Richland Mall in Mansfield is currently closing. So I'm going to show you my store tour that I shot there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And just once again, thank you for 440 subscribers. Thank you for 5 years on YouTube. Thanks for all the support. You guys leave me great support, and I am so thankful of that. So thank you guys so much. But anyways, let's get back to the main topic of this video. Welcome to Sears Richland Mall. This store opened in 1969 and is now closing in October of 2019. This footage was shot on September 2nd, 2014, or not 2014, September 2nd, 2019. And I decided to release it today for you guys for my 5-year anniversary on YouTube. So, this store was already on its liquidation sale. Everything was going to 15 to 40% off. I mean, it was really crazy. Now, I was actually here back in February of 2018. However, I lost my footage from the elevator video. So I came back while it was liquidating to go ahead and film the elevators at the mall, but also to come check out the Sears because I was like, okay, one of the only few Sears left in Ohio, and there's only going to be 2 left at this rate because Eastgate Malls is also closing. So the fact that this store is closing really sucks. Now we do have the shopping cart by my camera just to conceal it, because this footage is also on my other channel. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and look at a video from March of last year my friend shot of the elevator.
And now here we are on the second floor, where as you can tell, this is where the majority of the stuff that was here in this liquidation sale was located at. So, I'm going to note you, there were times where my camera was not in the right spot on the cart due to many employees in the store. And because there was employees around like every single corner you went in this store, so I was trying to be as sneaky as I could with my little camera that I was using to film this video, my GoPro, which is what I usually use when I film my store tours. But here's the escalators, which looked cool. They were Montgomery GMP, which you'll get to see me going down it in a little bit. But here was the jewelry counter. There was not a lot left in it. I mean, really, there's the mall entrance there. Really, there was not very much stuff left in the store right now. There was still a good bit of things, but it's not like there was a lot. Also, if you guys want to meet up with me, which hopefully this doesn't happen, no hate to my fans, but like, I will be at the store on the last day if you did want to come see me. But, oh yeah, by the way, it wasn't supposed to sound hateful, love you guys, but, I mean, this was really a really cool store. I mean, this was one of the many liquidating Sears stores I've been in. And honestly, Sears is going to go out of business at this rate. There's only going to be 100 Kmarts and like maybe 70 Sears stores left. I don't know how many Sears stores there'll be left, but there's not going to be many. And in 2020, the company's going to go out. I bet you May of 2020 it's going to end up going out, but honestly, with what Eddie Lampert's doing, it's not going to end up well. Anyways, here's the escalators. And here we are back on the first floor, which is where we're going to come to an end on this tour. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for 5 years on YouTube. And I will see you guys in my next video. With that being said, that'll be it. Thank you for watching.